So over on the tube, the Permit Man 99 asks, my wife and I are in the market for a tub, and we like the Victorian Albert Corvava 59 by 32. The soaking depth is only 14.13 inches. I'm 5'9", she's 5'2". Is that adequate enough? We went to WDC, I'm assuming that's their dealer, and felt like the saleswoman was telling us that isn't enough and would prefer to get something at least 16 to 18 inches soaking depth. Both of us are on the thin side, so just wanted to get your input. Permit Man, that's a great question. I'm glad you asked. So let's take a look at the Corvara collection from Victoria and Albert. They make a vessel sink and two identical tubs. The only difference is this designation at the end, OF or NO, stands for overflow, no overflow. And when we pull up the spec sheet for the no overflow model, we see a 21.5 inch depth. So to answer your initial question, 14 and a fraction, it's a little on the low side. It's going to fill you probably up to the bottom of your chest, maybe, would be my guess. That's about where the water depth will be. If you were to sit, I'm the same height as you, so if I were to sit in this tub, I'm pretty sure the water would get pretty close to my neck. I'd be fully submerged. So if that's your goal, that's one way to go. Now, you may be asking yourself, but Dave, no overflow, that's against code. Now, here's where you may have to do a little bit of battling with your inspector, because some inspectors in some locations are very hesitant to allow new products, even when they comply with all applicable plumbing codes. You may have to present documentation that shows this does indeed comply with all the relevant plumbing codes, because they're used to seeing that overflow in the side instead of what they call here the IntelliDrain. Dave, what's an IntelliDrain? So the IntelliDrain is a drain mechanism. It is not electronic. It is all mechanical. It uses like magnets to measure the pressure of the water, the weight of the water. So when there's too much water in the tub, the drain clicks and it opens, and it reseals when the water pressure recedes. So in that sense, there is a device designed to keep your tub from overflowing. It's just not the traditional overflow style model that we are used to seeing. Price on both of them is about the same, overflow versus non-overflow. You're looking at around $5,000 all in, not including tax in your local delivery code there. Talk to your WDC consultant for more details, but yeah, that is probably what I would do if I was in your situation and I wanted to go all in with the water.